5'11".
How's it going, guys? So I actually want to start out. By the time I'm filming this intro right now, I've already got done filming this video, and I just want to say this is a complete shit show. I started this with the intention of hoping to give you guys a very good video on how to install your Underglow, and actually what I got instead was probably one of the worst products I've ever received. So you guys are gonna see, I try hyping it up a little bit because, you know, I had faith that it was a good product. Unfortunately, it just isn't the case, and as much as I'd love to hype this company up because they somehow have 80,000 followers, I'm not gonna do that because it just is not worth my time to give you guys misinformation. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I go through hell, and yeah, I appreciate you watching. Alright. Good morning, boys and girls. We're back today with another video. I'm going to be installing something really excited to install. I've been a little hesitant just because the drift season, but with fall mats coming up, there's going to be night drifting apparently. So we got to get this installed. I got a full Underglow kit from them. That's something I definitely wanted. Just because Need for Speed vibes, and there's no reason at all that Underglow should have died. I don't know how it did die, but guess what, bitch? We're bringing it back, so get started. Alrighty, guys, just got done with work. Bay's all cleaned up. Right now, I'm just kind of setting this up because we got our kit from One Up Lighting. It's pretty freaking hefty, and it's a lot of wires. One thing I'm gonna tell you guys is it does not come with a add-on fuse. You're gonna need to go to the parts store and buy one. I didn't know this, but I'm also new to this, so we're learning together here. No big deal. I'm gonna start trying to get this all out and kind of not mocked up, but at least like the wires in the right direction, and go from there.
12 seconds later.
I don't really want to disconnect any of this. It should be the easiest to keep it all connected, in my head at least, but might just have to go that way. I don't know. You know what, let's go get the Mustang. This is DJ Z. He just started working here a couple weeks ago. Say hi, DJ. He drifts with us. It's pretty clean setup. Just got these Z1 tail lights, and it's on a Tomei, so pretty fire. But I just want to show you guys that real quick. He's basically in our group, so you'll see him around. This car is getting so annoying to jack up. I like my street aero side skirts. You can see they keep on melting though, and when they're out in the heat, they just straight up melt. And it's been a kind of pain in the ass. But I've been dealing with it. It's not that big of a deal. I'm gonna have to find a new way to start getting it onto the lift because it's ripped them off multiple times now. Car's a little on the lift right now. Just trying to figure out which one I want to use. Of course, it's a Ford, so it's not gonna tell me any of these. So we gotta look it up. Brandon's working on the Celica today. Does it fit?
Yeah, it does. I got plenty of space.
That's how it has to go?
Yeah, so I'm gonna have it come back. Like back in here.
Oh, I see. And then they gotta get the hanger.
Shoot right out.
Trying to find a spot for this. I'm trying to use the ECM fuse box because the passenger side one is like buried out here. I don't really get a light. It's buried right there. Now I do have an insert right here that I could use, but I just don't know how I'm gonna get there at all. It looks like it's in the, oh, it's in the It's in like the fender well. So maybe I can take that inner fender out and get that, but I just don't really want to. But if this doesn't work, I'm using the AC compressor relay with a 10 amp fuse. If this doesn't work, then that's what we're gonna have to unfortunately do. So with the key on, AC on. I don't have the see if I gotta use the app. Well, it didn't work. I tested it. So looks like we're going in through there. I don't know, I'm a little clueless, but should have an easier time. It's a pain in the ass. I have power now. I'm just trying to get it to connect to Bluetooth because it doesn't want to do that because it's all in, seems to be Mandarin, which I cannot understand at all. So, gonna try. At least I have power to it, so that's good. I can leave off on that if I do give up today, but I really want to get this on and over with. So, yeah, I ran power to my fuse box and I ran it to the fog lights. With the fog lights on, I have power, and my fog lights don't work, so that'll actually be perfect. I'll just use that in lieu of the fog lights. I'm gonna turn the car off, right? And yeah, if I can figure out how to get this thing to connect to Bluetooth, because what does that mean? I don't know what it means because it's a Mandarin. I have no clue how to do it. Oh, and here's how the videos work. They don't work. Oh, finally, it looks like we got it. What I actually ended up doing is I have a Type F system in here that projects lights here, but the LEDs on that side are shot. So I said, fuck it, and I cut this damn wire, and there we go. We have power. So at least we're leaving off on a positive note today. At least I got it working, because that was a big pain in the ass. But alrighty, I'm heading home now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, we're back for day 2. Starting off right where we left. We got power. I have to throw a bunch of shit out of my car because it's dirty. It's always dirty anymore because we're prepping for fall mats, and I just don't have time to clean it because I got to do a million other damn things. So first things first, I want to actually connect this to the app, make sure the app works in correspondence with the lights, and after that, that's when we can start plugging it in. Alright, it's all hardwired up. Try and have it come out of here, inside the glove box, and then down through here, and then out over there. So, you and I have to sit down and have a little bit of a talk. This is not fun to set up. It is not easy. You will be challenged mentally, physically, and emotionally. But hopefully through my video, I can show you guys how I did this. Okay, so we're gonna start out like this. The first app you're gonna download is LED lamp. Download, make sure you get that LED lamp. Now, for iPhones, this app does not work right out the bat. I don't know why, well, I don't know why. So the next app you're gonna download is LED BLE. It should be, here, I'll get you another close-up of it. Should be simple. After that, you're gonna connect to your LED BLE. It's gonna ask you to enable everything. Make sure you enable Bluetooth on that one. After that, after you've enabled LED BLE on that app, you're gonna go back to LED lamp. Then you're gonna go to LED DMX. Alright? From there, there's gonna be this little button here you click. You have all devices. I have only one device available. You're gonna press refresh again, because for some reason they want you to refresh it. All of a sudden I lost the device. You click that, you click control on the bottom, and then you should theoretically have connection to this. So right now it's blue. There we go. See? There's white, pink, red, yellow, blue. You get the idea. I'm trying to look for a pulse, but I can't seem to find it. I'm gonna start plumbing this into the fender well. I gotta drill a hole in there and then just start running wires. For you Mustang guys that are watching, oops, sorry, I probably just blinded you. You're gonna push out this grommet here, and what I'm gonna do personally is I'm just gonna try and drill a hole right beside it. That way it's kind of cleared out, and I don't have to like make a huge hole to make it work. I should just be able to drill the hole like right beside the grommet and run the wires. Just trying to show you Mustang guys what I'm doing. Put that to the side. So here's your grommet. I took out the fender well, and as you can see right there is where my hole is. Obviously it's no professional hole. I'm gonna try and put something around. Not really sure where to put it. I'm guessing I'm gonna put it on this frame rail right here, so I'm just gonna clean that up. However, there's a wall here, so it's gonna limit the amount of light that gets pointed outwards. Alright, so I skipped ahead because I just went and installed it. This is basically how it's gonna turn out. It looks like it's a different color. As I'm seeing it right now, that is blue and that is white. Yeah. It's a completely different color. So, yeah. It's like trying to change, I don't know, maybe it's... So, turn it off, turn it back on, I lose it. I'm just gonna end it today, guys. I don't even know if I'll post this because you wanna support a company that sponsors you, but I just can't support this. I appreciate you guys for watching. It means a lot, but don't buy Underglow. Keep your car normal and take it easy.